Hi, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, February 17th. And for writing today, we're going to continue. You were supposed to interview someone yesterday. So if you still haven't gotten a hold of them, try to do that today. So whenever you're available to do the next step, that's what I'm directing you to do today. So I'll share my screen and give you an idea. So after you interview someone, and then you need to put into the document, which this is one of the slides, this is slide 12, is your first document to start filling in the information. So if you have the ability, you might want to print the interview you did with someone so that you have it in front of you. It might be easier than rather than go back and forth, to be able to look at the information. But anyway, all about, so you put your person's name in there. Maybe I did my mom. And then I would put her real name. Okay, so maybe I'll just put her, this is my mom's real name actually, Nancy, by Mrs. Kodish. When were you born? So then you just start filling in those things you already interviewed. You already have all these answers. Now today you're just putting it in this document. This is it. This is it. Okay. So if you didn't get some of these answers when you interviewed your person, then you probably need to ask them again. But most likely, if it's on your interview page, it's going to be on this this next planning page. Okay. And in fact, looking at this, some of this is not in there. It might not be on the slide, so you might have to ask a few more questions today. When were you born? So for example, if I were to interview my mama, my mom is blank years old. When were you born? There we go. It's right there. All right, let's try to go back to slide 12. See, it goes pretty fast. What do you do for a living? Where do you live? So if it's my mom, she's going to live separately because I'm an adult now. But if you did your mom or dad, of course, that you would just say your town, maybe Dansville, or Stockbridge, wherever you live. Do you have any pets? Who's in your family? So this would not just be the people living in your home. Maybe your mom has a brother or sister. So you would put that there. Okay, so my mom has a sister, no brothers. So I'd write that. What were some important events in your life when you were a child? Now remember, this isn't about you, it's about your person. So you'd ask them that if you haven't gotten the answer already. And what were some important events in your life when you were an adult? Okay, so maybe some important events besides having you, of course, if you do your mom or dad, that would be their most important event, is having you. But if you do a grandma or grandpa, those would be really great. And then just writing down their favorites. Okay, so this is the only slide you're doing today, all about whoever. All right, I hope that helped. And thank you for watching. Go Riders, go. Good job.